what is this? Well, I'm across the street. I spent a little night in our across the street neighbors named Lindsay and what's his name, Stanley, and I have my friend in here. His name is Caleb, and I just want to show him to you. And also, he did a video earlier about me and him. Say hi, Caleb. He's eating chips. But hey guys, it's me. Today, look what I have. If you guys can't see it, let me go over here. Fidget spinner. This is not mine. This is Caleb's, but he don't mind if I use it. So I was thinking I should do a fidget spinner video today. So I'm gonna do some trick shots with this thing. I'm gonna try to. And also I have this one, which is my fidget spinner. But this is my friend's fidget spinner. She let me borrow it until mine comes. I need something to hold my phone. How about this? Oh, my bad. Hopefully that stays. So first we got a light plastic red one, which is Caleb's. This is like spins longer because it's more lighter and it has like good bearings. And this one does not spin very long. It spins like for 30 to 40 seconds. And watch. Here, how about I see how long this one lasts? Let me go get my other phone real quick. So here I have my other phone, my HTC phone. And it's on stopwatch, so I'm going to put this on. I'm going to spin this first, then I'm going to press it. Then, yeah. So, start. Wait, let me spin this. Start. I'm just gonna sit here while it spins and let the timer go. "23 seconds by now, guys. Starting to kind of slow down. Okay. Slowing down. 45 seconds. Starting to slow down. One minute. Wait. Almost done. Almost done. Any second now. Will you stop? On my camera, it looks like the bearings are popped out for some reason. Starting to slow down more. And is it ever going to stop? It's been 2 minutes. And stop. 2 minutes and 13 seconds. That's how long it's been. That's a pretty long time for a fidget spinner. And now we're going to spin this one. Wow. Just slows down really quick. Look at this. 20 seconds. So first, I'm going to try and do trick shots with this. I'm going to try and do this with it. Like, finger transfer, so. Actually, how about I start with this since it's a bad one? It might take a while. I haven't played with fidget spinners in a while. Oh, that's so close. I gotta grab it at the right time. Oh, that's close. Okay, I can't do it with that one because it'll just stop. I don't want it. This is actually kind of, I think this is bigger than that one because this is more fatter and heavy. This one's just way, look how cool that is on the camera. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh, that looks so cool. Okay, let's try the finger transfer with this one. That's more easier because it keeps spinning. Like, see? Watch. Did you see it? It was like, when I started spinning, it was like this, and it went like that. Then I almost caught it. Oh, what if I got that? Oh. I guess I can't do any trick shots. Oh. Well, guys, unfortunately, I'm terrible at trick shots, fidget spinners, but if you guys like this video, go down below, smash that like button. Help me smash 3 likes on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.